With the selections buttons in the toolbox and statistics charts, it's really easy to select parts of the graph based on various conditions. Just select a starting point, click on the Select Neighbors button. Notice how the statistics charts automatically show the portion of selected elements across different properties. The selection buttons can be used repeatedly to add additional layers of connected nodes to the group of selected elements. To select or unselect elements with a particular property, just click on the value in the property statistics chart. For example, to see all virtual servers managed by all virtual managers in our data set, start with clicking on the virtual manager property in the chart, and then select all incoming nodes. To check what types of relationships are connecting the servers and managers in this example, go to the Relationship tab. To select or unselect relationships based on their properties, just click on the values. Selections can be used with multiple starting points. Simply select some nodes and use one of the selection buttons. Inverting the selection allows selecting even more complicated patterns. Custom selection rules can be easily plugged into the visualization using our widgets. One of the widgets, called outage propagation, can be used to simulate how a potential outage might spread across a network. Configuration of the widget allows specifying how many underlying nodes have to be down in order to propagate the outage to parent nodes. In our example, all 3 nodes have to be down to propagate the outage, depicting a redundancy in the infrastructure.